Hey everyone, welcome back to our exploration series. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to an intriguing location that's been puzzling minds for years. Get ready as we uncover the secrets of the mysterious desert pattern in the Red Sea Governorate, Egypt. Now let's dive right in. This massive geoglyph spans over 60,000 square meters on the desert floor, and it's been etched with remarkable precision. What's fascinating is that nobody quite knows who created this intricate design or why. It's a series of pathways and shapes that appear almost like a labyrinth. Could it have been made by ancient civilizations, or does it hold some deeper meaning lost to time? This puzzle has baffled experts and amateurs alike, making it an intriguing enigma of our world. As we zoom in closer, you can see the intricate lines that form the pattern. It's a testament to human creativity and the mysteries that our planet holds. Imagine standing right there, surrounded by the vast desert, pondering the purpose behind this grand creation. Isn't it amazing how our world is full of these captivating mysteries waiting to be unraveled? Thanks for joining in on today's adventure. And remember, the Earth has countless more enigmas for us to discover. Until next time, happy exploring.